Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am giving you a room tour of a standard room here at the Hard Rock Hotel. We've absolutely loved our stay here. We're actually checking out today, so this isn't exactly what the room will look like when you check in, but we had a little snafu when we first checked in. My husband broke his foot, so we were just dealing with that. So we're at the end of the trip, we're checking out, and I can't wait to show you this. This has been an amazing hotel to stay at, and I can't wait to be back someday. So let me show you the room. See, it's kind of a big resort, and where our room is here at the end, when you walk all the way down the stairs, you're right at the walkway to City Walk and Universal Studios. Quick, like 5-10 minute walk depending on where you're going. It's great. When you first walk in, here's a really nice size closet with hangers, hair dryer, ironing board, some fancy hangers. And when we first checked in, this was all stocked up. They did actually bring up more coffee pods for us when we asked. They've been so nice here. Under here is a little fridge. And over here is your way into the bathroom. Don't mind all our luggage. But when you're staying at the Hard Rock, look at these fun details. I love this wall hanging. I think it looks so cool. Nice big mirror to get ready with. I've loved the counter space they had here. So much room for all of our stuff, makeup, contacts, all the goods. The bathroom on checkout day. Not the best looking right now, but it's good. Good sized bathroom. This was not a handicap accessible room, so normal shower. Normal bathroom. Good. And we'll turn back around past the coffee. And our room has 2 queen beds. We have this huge bureau which has 4 drawers, plenty of storage for all of our things. They're really deep too. So I thought they were great. Nice quiet closures, couple chairs, sit and eat, and cool artwork here. And yeah, Voodoo Donuts. If you're here, you totally have to stop at Voodoo Donuts. These chairs were actually very comfortable. Sit here at the end of the day, put your feet up, check your emails. The light. Here on, the one thing I wish they had was a little side table for this side of the bed to plug in your phone, just put glasses down on, but that's okay. They do have the little reading lamps on all sides of the bed, I think, or just the odd side out. And then these cool headboards, lamps, more plugs, some USB plugs so you can charge your things. Nice little side table. And I love this little detail these rooms have. Your full length mirror shows you the height of some of your favorite artists. Adele, Elvis, Frank Sinatra, Beyonce. So awesome. So yeah, that's our standard room here at the Hard Rock. At the end of the video, I will show you a little more of the pool area from the other day. There's a really fun water slide. I love how it's kind of hidden and it's got a great little drop in it. It's so fun. There's a pool bar next to it called the Beach Club. They serve you drinks, but they've got really good food there as well. We also ate at the kitchen one night. You can order takeout from there or just eat it as a table service restaurant. Great service. Really good food. Emac and Bolio's? I can't get that name right, but that's like the grab and go place. Also fantastic food, really good ice cream, good coffee in the morning, good service. So we've loved it here. You are the closest hotel to both of the theme parks and City Walk, and you get the express pass when you are staying here. It's been a very busy week at the parks. The express pass was a lifesaver. So I highly recommend staying here. I loved being able to walk back and forth here, take breaks if we needed to. It was summertime, so it was hot. Definitely midday pool breaks were a must. Let me know if you have any questions about this amazing resort, and thanks for joining me.